Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to enable Memory Saver in Google Chrome, to reduce memory and CPU usage. So, let's start. First of all, make sure that your Google Chrome is up to date. So, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots. Then Help. About Google Chrome. And it will check for updates. If your Google Chrome up to date, it will told you that Chrome is up to date. And if there are updates, like in my case now, it will download and install the updates. Then ask you to relaunch the application. So we will wait Google Chrome to download the updates. After updating, it will ask to relaunch Google Chrome to finish updating. So click Relaunch. And it will restart Google Chrome. And now it will tell us that Chrome is up to date. Now copy this link in the video description, and paste it in the search bar. You will find the High Efficiency Mode feature in the settings, set to default. Change it to Enabled. And the changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Chrome. So click Relaunch. After relaunching, click the three dots. Settings. Go to Performance tab. Then, Enable Memory Saver. Restart your Google Chrome for the change to take effect. And now you should see the difference in Chrome resource usage in both memory and CPU usage. That's it. I hope the video was useful for you, and if you like this video, just hit like button and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.